Okay. Question number 6. See, budget of food for a picnic is rupees 480. 8 failed to join the party. Cost of food for each member increases by rupees 10. Find the number of students that went for the picnic. अच्छा, obviously कुछ आदमी पिकनिक प्लान किए थे, तो अभी if some will leave, then the budget for then per member fees obviously will increase. Okay, so budget of food for a picnic is rupees 480. What I'll do, let total number of students who planned the picnic, let total number of students who planned the picnic is equals to X. Okay, suppose X number of students planned the picnic. Now per head cost obviously will be 480 divided by X. ठीक है, X स्टूडेंट्स थे, टोटल बजट था 480, तो पर हेड कितना पड़ेगा 480 डिवाइडेड बाई X. नाउ एज 8 fail to join, number of students now will be is equals to X minus 8. Then per head cost now will be वही 480 रुपीज है बजट, और पर हेड कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगा, पर हेड कॉस्ट अभी बढ़ जाएगा, कितना हो जाएगा X minus 480 divided by X minus 8, because now number of students are X minus 8, budget is same 480, so per head cost will be how much, 480 divided by the number of students, that is X minus 8. If this is the case, क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि फूड फॉर ईच मेंबर, कॉस्ट ऑफ फूड फॉर ईच मेंबर इंक्रीजेस बाय रुपीज 10. अच्छा, मतलब ये बड़ा है, अगर number of students are less, then per head cost will increase. If number of students are less, per head cost will increase. मतलब ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है. या फिर ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो, if denominator is less, the answer is more. X और X minus 8 में से X minus 8 छोटा है, मतलब ये वाला पार्ट बड़ा है. डिनोमिनेटर जितना छोटा उसका वैल्यू, आंसर का जो फ्रैक्शन का वैल्यू उतना ज्यादा होता है. तो बोला है कि दिस वैल्यू 480 by X minus 8 माइनस दिस वैल्यू 480 by X इज इक्वल्स टू ₹10. ओके, क्योंकि ये वाला पार्ट ज्यादा बड़ा है, दिस इज लेस, इनका डिफरेंस ₹10 आएगा. ओके, सो नाउ सिंपली वी हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. 0 ये 0 काट देंगे, 48 कॉमन जाएगा, यहाँ पे एलसीएम हो जाएगा X into X minus 8, यहाँ पे 48 कॉमन तो 1 था, X minus X plus 8 will remain is equals to 1. X minus X cancels, so final equation will get something like this: X square minus 8X minus 384 is equals to 0. We can middle term factorize. After middle term factorization we will get X minus 24 whole into X plus 16 is equals to 0, which implies X is equals to 24 minus 16. See, number of students cannot be negative, so X is equals to 24. Who planned the picnic? But question is just number of students who went for the picnic. Therefore, number of students who went is equals to 24. Actual plan किए थे, लेकिन 8 चले गए, नहीं गए ना. 24 minus 8, which will be 16. So this is your answer. 16 number of students actually went for the picnic. Okay. Then question number 7. Question number 7. 5 years ago, woman's age was square of her son's age. 10 years hence, her age will be twice that of her son's age. Find the age of the son 5 years ago. Present age of woman. Let present age of son is equals to X. Okay. Let present age of son को X ले लें. नहीं, एक काम करते हैं. Let 5 years ago, let 5 years ago age of sun is equal to x, then age of woman क्या होगा? woman's age was square of our sun's age. If 5 years ago sun age of sun is x, age of woman will be x square. अब बोला 10 years hence, 10 year hence मतलब प्रेजेंट से 10 साल के बाद, प्रेजेंट से 10 साल के बाद बोला है कि हर एज वुमेन्स एज विल बी ट्वाइस दैट ऑफ आवर सन्स एज. अच्छा पहले तो निकाल देते हैं एजेस कितने हो जाएंगे. 10 years hence sun's age will be x plus 10 plus 5, which is x plus 15 or not. See why? 10 years hence means from the present 10 years, but this was before 5 years. So before 5 years is 5 years, from present to 10 years. So difference 5, this is 10, total 15 years gap. So this is x plus 15. Women's age ये 5 साल पहले था, अभी प्रेजेंट से 10 साल के बाद 15 साल का गैप हो जाएगा. तो दिस इज x square plus 15. Okay, now given according to the question 10 years hence women's age will be twice that of our son's age, means women's age x square plus 15 is twice that of son's age x plus 15. तो इसको सॉल्व करना है. x square minus 2x plus 2x, इधर आके minus 2x, this is plus 30, इधर आके minus 30, 15 minus 30 is minus 15. So x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equals to 0. X minus 5 whole into x plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x is equals to 5 and minus 3. So this cannot be the answer. X is equal to 5. Age कैसे नेगेटिव होगा? Age तो पॉजिटिव होना है. See what is asked now. Find between age of sun 5 years ago. See, age of sun 5 years ago is 5. So answer is 5 years between. Age of sun 5 years ago x लेता ना, x का वैल्यू 5 बार क्या देखो. Now see, present age of woman. Present age of woman. Present age of woman. Age of woman 5 years ago was x square. मतलब 5 का स्क्वायर ये 5 साल पहले का. तो अभी का एज कितना हो जाएगा? प्लस 5, 5 स्क्वायर प्लस 5 which is 25 plus 5, 30 years. Okay. So 7 number is done. Now question number 8. An aeroplane left 30 minutes later than its scheduled time, and in order to reach its destination 1500 km away in time, it has to increase its speeds by 250 km per hour. Find original speed. Okay. Let original speed is equals to x. Distance is given 1500 kilometers. Aeroplane left 30 minutes later, मतलब आधा घंटा लेट चल रहा है, then its scheduled time. तो what we'll do, we'll find the time. ये वाला एक्चुअल टाइम निकालना है. एक्चुअल टाइम में कैसे होगा? टाइम का फॉर्मूला डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड. एक्चुअल टाइम में ओरिजिनल स्पीड लिखोगे तो डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड इतना आवर्स. दिस इज इन किलोमीटर, दिस इज इन आवर, दिस इज इन किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. ओके, x किलोमीटर पर आवर, दिस इज इन किलोमीटर, सो टाइम यूनिट विल बी आवर. नाउ increased speed will be x plus 250, because in order to reach in time, क्योंकि लेट हुआ स्पीड बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. It increased its speed by 250 kilometers per hour. मतलब increased speed will now be x plus 250. Now this ये वाला टाइम हाई स्पीड में कितना टाइम होगा? वही डिस्टेंस. Now speed is more, x plus 250 इतना आवर. Now this difference in time is given 30 minutes. क्योंकि मेकअप करना है ना, उसको स्पीड बढ़ाएगा तो टाइम कब होगा? और वो टाइम कितना होगा? 30 मिनट्स होगा. 30 मिनट्स मीन्स हाफ आवर. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, which is bigger? डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा मीन्स द फ्रैक्शन इज छोटा, तो बड़ा मैंने छोटा करेंगे. 1500 by x minus 1500 by x plus 250 is equal to 30 minutes. Convert it into hour by dividing 60. So this is 1 by 2. Now take 1500 common. LCM x into x plus 250. Here we will get 250, x plus 250. Here we will get minus x is equals to 1 by 2. this x cancels. You will get x square plus 250x cross multiply. This will be a big number. Number will be 75 minus 750000 is equal to 0. Now you have to multiply factorize. After factorization, you will get x minus 750 whole into x plus 1000 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 750 and minus 1000. But this cannot be your answer. Negative speed थोड़ी ना होता है. Therefore, original speed is 70 kilometers per hour. Original speed is 750 kilometers per hour. Okay. अच्छा. Then question number 9. In an auditorium, number of rows is equals to number of seats in each row. So what I'll do, let number of rows is equals to x. Let number of rows is equals to x. Number of seats is equals to number of rows is equal to number of seats in each row. So therefore number of seats will be how much? X. Number of rows जितना है, number of seats उतना ही है. Number of seats will be also x. Now if number of rows was doubled, now if number of rows is double, मतलब 2x, and number of seats in each row was reduced by 10. Number of seats. अच्छा, ये जो x लेता ये था number of seats in each row, right? Number of seats in each row. Now number of seats, ये वाला में if number of rows are doubled, number of seats in each row reduced by 10. Number of seats in each row will be x minus 10. कम हो गया, x था, अब बस कमेगा, this will be x minus 10. Okay, if this is happening, then the total number of seats increased by 300. Okay, now see, original seats will be how much? Number of rows into number of seats in each row. So original seats will be x square. Here number of seats will be, after doing the arrangement, after increasing the rows, decreasing the number of seats in each row, number of seats will be 2x into x minus 10. And according to the question, if you are doing this particular arrangement, reducing the number of seats by ₹10, doubling the number of rows, then the total number of seats increases by 300. Means this is 300 more than this. Therefore, according to our question, 2x whole into x minus 10 is equals to x square plus 300. Now you have to solve this. 2x square minus 2x into 10 is 20x is equals to x square plus 300, which will imply x square minus 20x plus x square minus 20x minus 300 is equals to 0, which will imply x square minus 320 how much? 10 10 100 30 10 30 and 10 minus 30x plus 10x minus 300 is equal to 0, which will imply x common, x minus 30 plus 10 common, x minus 30 is equals to 0, which implies x minus 30 whole into x plus 10 is equal to 0, which will imply x is equals to 30 and minus 10. So negative number is not possible, hence x is equal to 30 is your answer. Therefore you will write number of क्या पूछा था? Number of seats in original arrangement. तो bit 1, number of seats in original arrangement is x, so number 30. then bit 2. Number of seats in auditorium after rearrangement. The number of seats in auditorium after this rearrangement is 2x into x minus 10. Hence 2 into x 30 into x minus 10. 30 minus 10, which is 2 into 30. 30 minus 10 is 20. So which is 30 into 20. 60, 1200. Okay. So total number of seats will be 1200.
बंद कर दिल ना दिल
कर